Hey guys, quick question. Have you ever woken up and felt off? Not just stiff or groggy, but like your energy, your drive, even your confidence isn't what it used to be in your 20s? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And today, I'm about to share a simple bedtime drink that could quietly reboot your energy and performance by morning. No pills, no gimmicks. I'm Dr. Sofia Collins, and for over a decade, I've helped men over 50 reclaim their health, vitality, and confidence. And here's the deal. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Tonight, I'm breaking down a bedtime ritual so simple, yet so powerful, it could transform the way you wake up, feel, and perform every single day. Here's what happens as we hit our 50s. Blood vessels slowly stiffen, testosterone naturally dips, and sleep, well, it just doesn't recharge you like it used to. Even if you clock 8 hours, your body isn't recovering efficiently. And here's the kicker. Most men don't realize that morning energy, sexual performance, and overall vitality all come down to blood flow. Think about it. Your muscles, your heart, even your bedroom performance depend on circulation. Without it, testosterone alone can't carry the day. And this is where a simple bedtime drink steps in, not to do magic overnight, but to support your body's natural repair while you sleep. And here's something many men overlook. Chronic stress, late night snacking, and even too much screen time before bed can sabotage circulation and hormonal balance. Your body literally interprets these habits as stay alert, not recovered. This drink, combined with a mindful bedtime ritual, tells your system it's time to heal, rebuild, and recharge. So, what's in this powerhouse drink? Just three ingredients: warm water, pure pomegranate juice, a thin slice of fresh ginger. No sugar, no caffeine, no artificial stuff. Yet together they create a natural boost that works while you sleep, quietly supporting blood flow, reducing inflammation, and priming your body for a stronger, more energized morning. Let's break it down. Pomegranate juice. This isn't just a tasty drink. It's loaded with polyphenols, plant compounds that help your blood vessels relax and stay flexible. Think of your arteries like garden hoses. Over time, they can stiffen, restricting flow. Pomegranate juice helps restore that flexibility, making sure your heart, muscles, and yes, your pelvic area get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Ginger. This little root is a hidden hero. Beyond flavor, ginger naturally boosts nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to open up, improving circulation. This is the same mechanism targeted by certain performance meds, but ginger works naturally, gently, and safely. Warm water. Don't underestimate it. Warmth helps your digestion, soothes your nervous system, and slightly dilates blood vessels. Think of it as turning your body's delivery system on so the nutrients from the pomegranate and ginger circulate effectively. And here's an added tip. Drink it slowly and take a few deep breaths while sipping. This little pause signals your nervous system to calm down, lowering cortisol, stress hormone, and setting the stage for deep restorative sleep. It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference over time. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Can this really work? And the answer is yes. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, and even early 70s try this consistently. It's not an instant miracle, but within days to weeks, they notice better, deeper sleep, reduced grogginess in the morning, improved blood flow and sexual responsiveness, a quiet, renewed sense of energy and confidence. It's proof that small, consistent habits can have a massive impact, especially when you're over 50. And here's another insight. When combined with hydration throughout the day and balanced meals, the effects are magnified. Men who drink water steadily, avoid late-night heavy carbs, and keep inflammation low see even stronger results. Here's why bedtime is the secret window. Most people think sleep is downtime, but it's actually your body's most active repair period. While you sleep, hormones rebalance, including testosterone, cells repair and rebuild, blood vessels regain flexibility and your nervous system shifts into recovery mode. But if you go to bed dehydrated, inflamed, or stressed, your body goes into defense mode. Poor circulation, restless nights, and sluggish mornings follow. This drink sets the stage for your body to heal instead of defend. Want to supercharge this routine? Pair it with gentle evening movement. It doesn't have to be intense. A 10-minute walk after dinner, slow stretches in your living room, deep breathing while lying down. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode, helping your body fully embrace repair and restoration while you sleep. And here's a bonus. Keeping a consistent sleep schedule and dimming lights an hour before bed further enhances blood flow and hormonal balance. Combine these small habits and your mornings start feeling like they did decades ago. Here's your simple new bedtime routine. Brew warm water, add a small splash of pure pomegranate juice, drop in a thin slice of fresh ginger. Sip slowly, mindfully, and think of it as a small act of care for your body. This isn't about chasing your 20s. It's about honoring your body now, giving it the support it needs to thrive, and reclaiming strength, vitality, and confidence in your daily life. So tonight, skip the scrolling and late-night TV. Instead, make this simple drink, sip it with intention, and tell your body, I see you, I care, I'm still in the game. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button, tap the like, and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started. There's so much more to reclaiming your health, vitality, and confidence after 50, and I'll show you exactly how. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting, one small habit at a time.